Hello guys, welcome to software design. Today we want to teach you how this design was made. Basically it's just an analysis because we are criticizing most of the things the designer has made here. The design is very nice, okay, but there's a problem with this design. We cannot actually distinct saying this design. This is the theme. We can't differentiate the theme with the collaboration. The organization which is collaborating with the Deaf Women Allowed Initiative. It does not, because it doesn't actually solve a problem, because this particular design here, everything is too bold. It's too bold. You can't. This is supposed to be the main topic of this flyer, and this is supposed to be smaller. And then for the time and date section, for the date is correct, but the instance where this is also big and this is also big, that is where there's a problem with this design, or else the design has been very nice. The pictures of the women illustrating in the design is actually very good, and so I think the designer is expected to work on it, and that is my observation I've seen there. And if you have any observation that you want to make, do well to drop in our comment section and then we'll deliberate on it. Thank you and have a pleasant weekend.